Hi everybody, my name is Chris. Now tell me, when was the last time you were really excited about something, totally thrilled, something that just left you breathless? Well, get ready for that feeling again. May I introduce the 4. Wow, right? And the new generation wants to be different, as it pushes the limits to the edge. So let's have a look at some details. Dynamic, elegant, exclusive. The new BMW 4 Series Coupe embodies all design values of the BMW brand and is therefore a true brand shaper. Now, the overall exterior concept has been sharpened in terms of sportiness and presence. And the model here next to me is the BMW M440i X-Drive, presenting itself in Arctic Race Blue Metallic, which is one of 3 new stunning exterior colors. Full of edges. And I gotta come down here a bit because you can see the 4 really celebrates its aggressive details. Now the front crouches flat on the road, while the center of attention is clearly the large and expressive kidney in cerium gray, provided with a mesh kidney grille. Also, you can see the wide U-shape, which encloses the kidney, and the large air inlets, which kind of push the classic and sporty front apron structure into a new, bold design language. Flat BMW double round headlights also sharpen the overall look. Now, this model here comes with BMW laser light. Athletic proportions create an agile and also elegant silhouette. And if you take a look at the clearly visible shark nose and also the flat and dynamic roofline, they provide the new BMW 4 Series Coupe with a strong yet modern character. And the high gloss shadow line here adds elegance to it. You really want to check out the sculpted rear wheel arch. It really brings out the muscular shoulder area. Let's take a look at the wheels, because our model here comes with the 19-inch M Light Alloy Wheel 797M and also the M Sport Brake. The M rear spoiler, in combination with the 2 implied air outlets and also the free-form tailpipe tips framing the diffuser insert, provide the vehicle with a sporty finish. The clear dynamic design language also finds its way into the vehicle interior. And as you can see here, you can find exclusivity in every detail. Starting off with the upholstery in cognac Vernasca leather, for example. But also the interior trim is accented with high gloss aluminum fabric. And the instrument panel comes in Sensatech. Also nice to look at and nice to hold is the M leather steering wheel with great grip. But this is something you know from any other BMW also. The raised center console here defines the personal distinctive space between the driver and the passenger. And with the 2 seats in the back, your passengers can also enjoy some sporty coupe feeling. The 4 comes with the latest operating system 7, combined with the BMW Live Cockpit Professional, which means you get the 10.25-inch center information display right here. Now, also the head-up display is significantly larger than its predecessor. Also, your route guidance is now integrated into the instrument cluster and the head-up display, simply by using the icons of your smartphone just on a bigger screen. Also new, BMW Maps. Now, this cloud-based navigation is not only quicker to use, but also super easy, very precise, and very intuitive. In fact, it's just as easy and quick to use as your navigation app on your smartphone. We all know how important it is to always keep your focus on the road. And your new BMW 4 Series supports you with some great features. For example, gesture control, a great way to control a number of functions. It's never been easier to accept a phone call, for example, or also to control the volume of your entertainment system. The intelligent personal assistant is your car expert, and it's more fluent and easy to use than ever before. Provided with extended speech control and a more emotional visualization, it actually bends over to the driver or co-driver, depending on who's talking. It's kind of like talking to a friend. Finding a parking spot in a crowded city can be time-consuming and nerve-wracking. Luckily, the Parking Place Assistant can proactively suggest free parking spots in the area, and with this, be a big help. So as you can see, there's nothing to miss when it comes to smart features and assistance systems in the new BMW 4 Series. And remember, with the remote software upgrade, your 4 Series is always up to date. And now let's have a quick look at some technical data, shall we? As already mentioned, our model here is the BMW M440i xDrive, and the mission is clear: sheer driving pleasure. Now, the chassis covers various additional struts and rods for maximum stiffness, control, and comfort. And it also instantly recalibrates to various surfaces and offers a finely tuned balance of control and composure. And of course, it's also equipped with the M Sport differential, which leads to better traction in curves. With the M Twin Power Turbo 6-cylinder petrol engine, you get a maximum performance of 275 kilowatt and 500 Newton meter of torque. And by the way, this BMW will take you from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in only 4.5 seconds. You want to give your BMW 4 Series a more individual look? Then the M Performance parts are just right for you. A number of carbon fiber elements emphasize the modern yet sporty style of the 4 Series. The carbon fiber lets the kidney beam even more. The M Performance front splitter also comes in carbon fiber. The aero flicks and black high gloss add a more aggressive look. Visually striking are the decorative side decals in frozen black underscoring the sporty design. The side skirt attachments as well as the mirror caps in carbon fiber are perfectly tailored to the design. And to complete the look, the air curtain is brimming in carbon as well. You know what? You can even give your fuel filler cap a design boost in carbon fiber, easily attachable with a double-sided adhesive tape on the inside. Our model here shows off with impressive 20-inch M Performance forged wheel Y-spoke 795M in jet black. Particularly effective is the 18-inch brake system in red. Let's shortly jump to the passenger side. There we have even another stunning M Performance light alloy wheel, 19-inch Y-spoke 898M in frozen gunmetal gray. Also really cool is the fixed hubcap, which creates a focal point on the wheel. Now, the typical BMW logo with the blue and white propeller no longer turns with the wheel whilst the vehicle is in motion, but it rather remains stationary. I like that. One important thing to mention: if you like the carbon fiber package, but you didn't order it ex-factory, no problem. You can easily add the M rear spoiler and the M rear diffuser in carbon fiber with the M Performance parts afterwards. Another clear statement is the M model badge M440i in black high gloss. And not to miss, the M Performance tailpipe finisher, also in black high gloss. Only for the US and Canada available is the stainless steel axle back exhaust that was developed especially for the new 6-cylinder inline engine and impresses with a deep throaty, sporty, and rich sound. The unmistakable design continues in the interior. With open pore, matte sealed carbon, and the exclusive M Performance branding, which gives the interior a palpable sporty look. Furthermore, Alcantara provides motorsport feeling with the new knee pads on the center console. Racing feeling at its best is guaranteed with the M Performance steering wheel, with carbon fiber shift paddles matching perfectly with the carbon fiber Alcantara cover. The door sill plate also comes in carbon fiber, featuring the M Performance lettering. A really bold feature are the logos for the LED door projectors. 3 different images are available. As you can see, with the M Performance parts, you have many options to personalize your BMW 4 Series and make it the boldest on the street. Sharp as a scalpel, the new BMW 4 Series is guaranteed to give you thrills. With its muscular aesthetics and its outstanding dynamics, the 4 represents pure driving pleasure.